This is our sign that fall is around the corner, and it has become a tradition here on my channel to unbox each of my seasonal FabFItFun boxes. And I just received my fall box, so I'm gonna show to you each of the products that I customized, that I selected. For those who are not familiar with FabFItFun, it is a seasonal lifestyle subscription box that you can customize 6 full-size products to your likes, to your needs. That's the thing that I love the most, and that's exactly why it is the only subscription box that has survived all of the ones that I have tried through the years, and this box is a good one. So we have 6 customizations, 6 full-size products, value up to $350, but for a fraction of the cost, because the seasonal box, it is $79.99 per box. But do not worry, because all of you, my followers, you get 20% off your first box. But even yet, if you become an annual member like myself, you pay up front for the 4 boxes, and each of them, they will end up costing you $64.99. So you're saving a total per year of another $60. In addition to that, you get first picks to each of the choices and earlier shipping. But I got you a little surprise right here. If you sign up for an annual membership, FabFItFun will send you a gift value up to $200. That's amazing, friends. But let me show you each of the products that I have selected for each customization. For customization number 1 by Noon and Moon, I got, oh my gosh, look at this beautiful pie dish. My goodness, the burgundy, do you see that? Imagine an elderberry pie or an apple pie. Oh my gosh, I just can't wait. It is gorgeous, stunning. I love the scalloped, ruffled edges. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Even if you go to visit a friend and you want to take a yummy pie on this presentation, this is precious, so beautiful. And the retail value of this dish is $65. So you see what I mean? Just like, say, if you were to buy this dish pie all alone and pay the retail value, it is more than the price of the box itself for the annual membership. Can you believe that? It's, oh, this is incredible. This is gorgeous. Friends, I also had my eye on a couple other things on customization 1, because they have, this is a lifestyle box. So there's things for beauty, fashion, there's jewelry items, things for the home, you name it. They have so many things for the gym. I mean, it is incredible the amount of offerings from brands that we know and love, and perhaps from brands that you will get to discover too. So I was eyeing this Amica shampoo and conditioner set for frizzy hair. If you were to buy the 2 products at any retailer, it will cost you about $56. And I'm always there to try something for the hair. I don't know, I just have this passion for everything hair. I should have opened a channel just to speak about hair, but hey, I love my channel because we talk everything lifestyle, from beauty, fashion, I mean, you name it, just living in general, even interior design. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, but the subscription is completely free. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you're on Instagram and TikTok, well, you know what? Come and follow me there. Why not? Let's just grow our family together. Another of the items in customization 1 that I was like, this looks so gorgeous, is this stunning scalloped mango wood board that the retail value itself, it is $100. This board is perfect to do a charcuterie or even for a housewarming gift too. Isn't it that beautiful? That's one of the things that I do typically with my FabFItFun box. I select things, yes, for myself, things for the home, but also I use my FabFItFun box to think ahead of the game and have those gifts for people that are special in my life, for the holiday season too, for weddings, anniversaries and whatnot, birthday parties, I mean, you name it. But oh my gosh, I'm just so happy with my selection. This is so pretty. It's so beautiful. They also had a gym tote with this burgundy color here. So stunning. I think the value was $80 too. It looked incredible, and it's one of the things that I need. I will get really good use out of it. But what did I got for customization number 2? It is by a well-known hair care brand, luxury brand, I should say. It is obviously Oribe, and is that Serena Scalp Oil Control Treatment Mist. Although I do not have oily hair, I do have someone that I can give this to. So this is again one of those perfect gifts. The retail value was $58. What other things I was eyeing on this customization? Made by the same brand that did this beautiful pie dish, these 2 cherry mugs. They look so beautiful. Value at $76. Friends, these are just gorgeous, and just by seeing the quality of these, I'm sure that the mugs quality are incredible. And you know how much I love bags, so also on this customization there were 2 bags, and I gave a really good thought to get the stone bag, this beautiful grayish color that has a little bit of a je ne sais quoi, like a wink to like a Bottega parachute bag, but without the entrechato leather. But it just looks so pretty by the brand 8 Other Reasons. It's called that Betsy Slouch, I think it is. So beautiful. What a stunning bag. The value of that bag is of $129. So that was also on my radar, but I'm so happy that I was able to get this baby, because like I said, I know someone that can get a really good use out of it, and gifting is something that I love to do. For customization number 3, and another beloved brand, Glow Recipe, the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. I love to use vitamin C serum. I love Glow Recipe. The niacinamide, the dewdrops is amazing. And when I saw this vitamin C serum for brightening and even tone, I used vitamin C serum. I was like, you know what? Let me give it a try. I haven't tried the vitamin C serum, and it does have the combination of ferulic acid, vitamin E, and tranexamic acid, which is a suppressant for those dark spots that I do have, because, well, for many years I really didn't protect much my skin with SPF. I learned as I grew up as I became a more experienced woman. But here you got me. I want to test this Glow Recipe vitamin C serum that is valued at $45. Let's move to customization number 4, and it's something that I truly needed. Mine, they are in their last leg, and I felt like, you know what, this is a good time, because I don't know if it happens to you. Sometimes you leave something for, you know, later on I will get it, and then when you need it, it's like, oh my gosh, I was supposed to get it. Why I didn't get them? I'm talking about these trivets by the brand Darling. Aren't they so darling? Perfect for the fall season. They are so beautiful and so useful. I like that they are 3 different sizes, a larger, a medium, and a small size, made out of silicone, and the value of these trivets is of $30. And for customization number 5, and with all my embarrassment, for those who follow me for a long time, you know that I received as a Christmas gift a Pilates kind of like session, and I said I'm gonna start it. It was one of my resolution of the years, and I haven't yet started my Pilates classes. Oh my gosh, it's just so embarrassing. But anyhow, here, this is my biggest step to go for it. When I saw this, it's like, okay, Jacqueline, now you have no excuses. You need to make yourself some time. So from the brand Splits, I got some Pilates socks that I know, at least on the studio that I will be going to do Pilates, they require Pilates socks. These are just perfect because they do have the nice grip. The value of these socks is of $32. So you see, this is something that not only I need them, but that certainly it's kind of like Ding ding, Jacqueline. Do not procrastinate. You have your socks, your classes already paid. You just need to move your bottom and get to the Pilates class. So I'm just so happy I got these babies. And for customization number 6, this is going to be kind of like a present for my husband. I say kind of because it's not his birthday or anything like that, but he's a chef. So he basically lives in his uniform all the time. He wakes up, he puts on his chef uniform, he goes to work, and that's kind of how it goes. But the days that he has off, and sometimes he's cooking, I noticed that he's missing an apron. I do have an apron, but he doesn't, and I thought this apron will be so nice. I love the navy and creamy stripes, very European style with a little bit of an edge with the leather poking through. This is by the brand Business and Pleasure, and it has a good length. It doesn't feel like too heavy. It feels so nice, and the retail value is $38. Oh my gosh, look at me, ready to bake a pie. I know, but yeah, this is going for my husband. I do have mine. This is so nice. And I was able to add an item for my customization. That is something that, yes, you can do so with FabFItFun. In fact, you can get so many items with FabFItFun, up to 70% of retail value. It is insane. And from brands that we all love and adore, like say Oribe, Prada, Hi, Amica, Rare Beauty, I mean, you name it. So the item that I was able to add is also by Noon and Moon, and it is a pie server. Yes, a pie server. Now, I chose the one that it was like creamy color, but now I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I should have chosen the one with the cherry handle too, just to go with my, it doesn't matter. It looks beautiful no matter what. And the retail value of these was $48. Needless to say, I didn't need to pay for that much. So if you have been thinking about becoming a FabFItFun member or just at least to try one seasonal box, do not forget I have a 20% off discount code for all of you. And if you want to save even more money and become an annual member with my exclusive code, you get a $200 value gift. I will be leaving the links, the details, the codes on the description box below for your convenience. And I would love to hear from you. Are you a member of FabFItFun? Which are the products that you will have selected for each of your customizations? Which of the items I have selected for my fall box are the items that you like the very most? Let's continue that conversation in the comment section down below while you're at it. And if you haven't done so yet, you're always invited to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. A big thank you to FabFItFun for partnering up on today's video with me. It truly means a lot because I have been a FabFItFun member for years, and it is my ultimate pleasure to share with all my audience my love for FabFItFun. If you're on TikTok and Instagram, welcome and follow me there. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends. And if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're gonna love. See you then. Bye-bye.